I have news coming in from Karnataka. Have there been an evidence of several irregularities detected in the transfer of 14 sites by the MUDA, the Mysuru Urban Development Authority, to B.M. Parvati, the wife of Karnataka Chief Minister? Now, according to the Enforcement Directorate, it does appear that they have managed a chain trail of evidence to show that the manner in which it was done was breaking protocol. The federal agency, in a recent communication sent to the Karnataka Lokayukta department, has claimed that its investigation has found that MUDA did illegally allot a total of 1,095 sites in Benami and other such transactions from which the family of Siddaramaiah could benefit. I want to immediately bring in India Today's Divyesh Singh, who closely tracks our investigation agencies. Divyesh, tell me this, because till now it was more of a political claim of he said, she said. What is the ED sources telling you about what exactly happened in this case?
Well, sources from ED tell us that the findings in the MUDA scam are state that the 50-50 scheme allotments were in contravention of the guidelines. There were a total of 1,095 sites that were allotted, and all of these sites were allotted illegally. Some former commissioners whose residence, whose premises were raided in October by the ED officials, they had accepted bribes, and in lieu of luxury cars, cash and immovable properties, there were land allotments done under the MUDA scheme by these former commissioners of MUDA. Now, this information has been shared by the Enforcement Directorate to the Lokayukta, and for further action to be taken, for further, and also it has been found that most of these allotments were made in name of Benami or dummy people, while as the real beneficiaries were influential people or businessmen benefiting out of these allotments. So these are the findings that have come to light, and it has been shared with the Lokayukta under relevant sections of PMLA by the Enforcement Directorate.
All right. Divyesh, we'll be tracking this big story. So Divyesh has more information. And could this mean more trouble for the Chief Minister, specifically if there is an evidence that there was protocol broken when it was about transferring at least 1,000 sites?